The overall goal of this procedure is to prepare anti-cancer metallodrugs and evaluate their cytotoxicity by the MTT assay. This is accomplished by first synthesizing metal-based anti-cancer compounds. The second step is to prepare 96 well plates of cancer cells. Next, the metal-based anti-cancer compounds are inserted into the cancer cells. The final step is to measure the cell viability by the MTT assay, where the reduction of MTT by mitochondrial and cytosolic enzymes to formazine is measured. Ultimately, the anti-cancer activity and half-maximal inhibitory concentration, or IC50 values of the compounds, are determined.
Generally, individuals new to this method may struggle because it's a multi-step procedure that requires the full attention of the laboratory worker and is based on a strict timeline.
Visual demonstration of this method is critical, as preparation of cell plates is not straightforward, because working with viable cells requires following particular guidelines.
Working in a glove box, prepare the vanadium 5 complex by dissolving 0.42 millimole of the ligand precursor in dry THF. Then, add it to a stirring solution of equivalent amounts of vanadium oxotris isopropoxide in THF. Stir the reaction mixture at room temperature for 15 minutes before removing the volatiles under vacuum. Next,